Have you ever pressed send on an email and then thought, shouldn't have done that? And you want to get it back, but you're not sure how? Well, let's see a possible solution. Okay, so I have an inbox here, and I've actually sent a message that I think, oh, I shouldn't have sent that. So you go to your sent items and you click on the email that you want to send, you want to recall. And this is called recall. And so I'm in that email, and then I go up to the very top and I recall message. Now you can see recalling this message, it's going to delete it from the mailbox of all recipients. Well, that isn't always true. I'll show you how it works and then I'll explain when it doesn't. So only recall this message, or do you want to recall it and open a message as a draft? Now this one replaces an old feature that we used to have, which is recall and replace. So it means that it's going to recall all of them that it can, and it's going to replace them with a new message. So this one is if, say, you forgot to include something, you added something in that shouldn't have been there, or should have explained something, and you just want to edit it. I'm just going to recall it and click on OK. Great. So now eventually that should tell me which messages have succeeded and which have failed. This is only guaranteed to work if both the sender and the recipient, so you with your sent items and the person receiving it, are using Microsoft Exchange, so Outlook. Okay, if you're using Outlook and the person, say, has an Outlook.com email, or they have a business email and they use something called Microsoft Exchange, then it should work fine. But if they have a home email, whether it's Hotmail, Google, Gmail, it could be their own website and they have something called IMAP, it's not guaranteed to work and it probably won't. Okay. Test it to make sure, because there is always changes, but as of recording this one, Microsoft is saying, no, we're not guaranteeing that it's going to work with any of those. So their advice is that if you want to recall a message, do use the recall and replace, but to mention to everybody that you have tried to recall the original message and that this is the updated version. Now, with Outlook, it's not always going to work either. If the person has opened the email and they've read it, then it's not going to work. Now, I have been working in Outlook and I have seen it where a message has come in and I've looked at it in the preview pane, so I've read the message, but it hasn't marked it as read, and the person has recalled that message, and it doesn't always completely disappear. It depends on if you're in a business, it depends on the IT setting or the settings from the IT department. Then what can happen is it says the message name, it says recalled, you click to open it and it might disappear. Okay, so recall doesn't always work, so please do not think this is a guarantee, but it's an option if you do want to pull a message back. If you have any stories about when you tried to recall something, maybe it worked, maybe it didn't work, please do put that in the comments. And if you have any suggestions for more topics, put that in the comments as well. If you'd like to hear more tips, I have a webinar which is 50 time-saving tips for using the computer. Then there should be a link in the top corner. Also, if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, do click on that thumbs up because it really does help so other people can find my videos. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.